Hello, I just discovered your project that you're sharing on Hacker News for generating memes, and I would just like to do a quick review of it for you to share my thoughts on it. If you'll give me just 10 seconds, I'd like to share. I'm going to be performing this review with Moustachio, a project I've been working on. Real quick, Moustachio lets you share a URL with a friend, a family, or a colleague via your social networks or other standard channels such as instant messenger or email. And it allows the receiver of that link to simply kind of do a free-form review of your site like I'm going to do today, or it allows you to ask them to perform a very specific task and allows you to watch how they perform that task. So the goal is to get feedback on your design or application. So I have pop your site open. I was here for just a couple minutes or maybe 20 seconds earlier. So it looks like you've got maybe an open source project here. This looks like, I saw some buttons earlier, you're using Bootstrap, which is cool. I'm a big fan of that. So you've got your memes here, some of them, not all of them. Click on a meme to start publishing. So yeah, I saw this before, and I think what you mean is click on one of these memes to start publishing. But my mouse was over here and I had a hand, so I clicked this and thought this is what you meant at first. Which is okay, because as I can see, I can actually create them from either. Yeah, so I see your buttons, and that's how I realized you're using Bootstrap. So yeah, that's fine. But you've got the click on a meme to start publishing. Maybe that could be above the memes. So the next, I have a small concern, is that if you've got some person on your site creating really crappy, uninspired memes, I think they're going to be on the front here. So I don't know if this is like the last one that was created and this is the one that was created before that, but if you've got some jerk on your site who doesn't know what they're doing, they're going to create a bunch of crappy memes that aren't funny. And then you've got, maybe your users are leaving because of that. So one thing to consider is if we could have some way to maybe vote, or if you could have kind of featured memes, maybe that defeats the whole purpose. Because now I don't quite understand, because memes must be real time. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but I'm guessing is the last meme that was created is up front here. So what I was saying is, if people are creating crappy memes, the site's not going to be funny, and then maybe people leave your site. I liked that when I clicked one, I got to see more of that, because I think one of the most fun parts about memes is kind of seeing a whole bunch side by side and kind of seeing how the meme evolves or how it can be used. Yeah, so I think I'm not sure the subtitle or tagline is making the point you're trying to make, because I'm not sure what the point is. And I think the name of the app, giving it a logo, kind of cleaning up. I think you put this together real quick, is what I read in the Hacker News. So this is great for what you did real quickly, but I think some type of proper branding might be nice. I think kind of your meme creator might be able to be improved, being that this is your meme creator, your two forums. Maybe put it in a light box or something. Maybe make it so I can type and see them changes in line. Maybe that doesn't matter. And another thought on kind of what it means to be real time is, rather than showing you the memes that are created real time on your site, it might be cooler if I could kind of see memes that are created real time across the web. So, and what I mean by that is there's several sites that use these memes more than others. So if you could monitor those sites for new comments or new posts and kind of throw those memes up here as they come through, that might be a really cool use for this, rather than being able to create them here. Instead, kind of funneling them all through here, so creating a one-stop shop for finding these. So let me just poke around and see if I can find anything else here that I would like to share with you. Alright, I'm back. I've been clicking around. I think I've clicked every link I could, and I think I've said everything I have to say. So thanks for sharing your app. It's pretty cool. Thank you for watching this review, and maybe as you push out updates, you'll be able to use a tool like Moustachio to get feedback and see how your site is used. Oh, you know, one more thing I want to do is create a meme. Let me find something funny to say, because I'm not inherently funny myself. Alright, yeah, I'm just going to make a quick meme of the most interesting man in the world, one of my favorites. So just to kind of try out the whole app. So, alright, so here's kind of something weird, is that it's stuck in caps. I thought my caps lock was on and realized it wasn't. So there's just kind of a usability thing there. I don't always create memes, but when I do, I use them. Well, what am I using? I guess this is what I'm using. Yeah. Publish that. So that's it. Yeah, I mean, that was exact. So, other than the caps, the all caps, that was pretty much what I expected. I hit publish, and I saw it'd be nice if I could share it, maybe. So, maybe some social links to share this to Twitter or Facebook or whatever. So yeah, great. Thanks. And I was just about to upload this to YouTube, and I looked at the name of your app and I realized it's not memecached, it's memecached. So sorry about that. I guess I'm an idiot and can't read. So my comment on that would be that to kind of go along with the branding, I suggested a logo and kind of fixing up the text, the name of your app, and that might just be kind of breaking up the text a little better so that was more obvious to me. I also am familiar with a product called memecached, and that's maybe why I was saying that. So sorry about that. Memecached.